Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on where you are in the world. Monday, I promised that today we are going to have a look at um, Aspire and in the context of the Office add-in created by Rudy. And also, probably if we have some time left, let's have a look at .NET 9 as well. See if there's some new stuff in there. Let's start the show. Welcome back. It's May the 8th, Wednesday. Second stream of the week. One more to go on Friday. Let's go to the code window. This is a different machine than I'm used to, so I need to, and I don't have the Power Toys installed, so I'm not sure the region is fitting properly. I think it is. So let's have first go to the command prompt. Go to the repos. Make directory 2024-0508 for a clean repo folder. 2024-0508. That's now empty. So let's go into GitHub, and I should have start the project from. Let's have a look. Oh, I did create a link in my notes, I think. I did. There we are. The My Aspire Blazor add-in repo from Rudy Co. That's Rudy Kortenbert. Kortenbert. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but let's have a look at that. Let's clone that. Copy. Git clone. And I can clone this. I also updated my Studio to the latest version. At least yesterday it was the latest version. I'm not sure if it's today the latest version. Let's have a look. Why is there a donkey on my screen there? Oh, it's not showing on your screen, I guess, because it's out of sight. What was I going to do? Oh yeah, installer. I was going to check if Studio was the latest version today, as opposed to yesterday. Oh, and now there is an update available. Yesterday there was version 6. Today we have version 7. I'm not going to install that right now. Let's have a look at the details here. The joy of working with previews is that you get another one, I think, every week. So look at the release notes. And because build is coming up, build.microsoft.com. That's in about like 2 weeks, I think. It's today the 8th. 21st is like less than 2 weeks already. Sadly, I won't be able to attend because I'm on holiday myself. Vacation time. And what we see here is a lot of AI again. Let's have a look at the session catalog here and search for Aspire. Demystify cloud native development with .NET Aspire with David Fowler and Damien Edwards. Getting started cloud native with .NET Aspire. Why is this not recorded? Because it's in Seattle only. But this is probably a workshop or something. Oh, it's a lab. Yeah. Same thing, different time, I guess. Oh, it's a repeat session, apparently. .NET Aspire development on any operating system with Visual Studio family. That's interesting because Visual Studio is no longer on every operating system, I think. It is Visual Studio Code by Brady. Deploy .NET services to the cloud, lightning speed, also with Aspire. A lot of attention for Aspire, apparently. Learn how to easily integrate AI in .NET apps. Not sure what that's related to Aspire, but an Entity Framework Core 9. Okay. All of you attending build, let me know what you think of it. So I was quickly looking over the current update. This release introduces Maui full page hot reload feature. This feature works with the hot reload button while you're debugging Maui application. After clicking the hot reload button and the after code changes are applied, XAML files that you edited will now be reloaded in the Maui application. XAML will hot reload still works as you added XAML files, but full page hot reload can come to the rescue when incremental changes are not visible in your Maui app as expected. Eliminates Visual Studio crashes when using F# in Visual Studio. So there's not too much in there. I think they are stabilizing it for build. I did clone it already, did I? Let's see, yes, CD, my Aspire. And the solution is called my app. My app.solution. Solution, yes. Let's pick Visual Studio 22. Preview for that. Where is it? Did I close it? Let's try that again. Visual Studio Preview. Let's see if it fits on the screen here. Oh, sign in, come on. That's for security reasons. Let's make sure that I'm not doxing myself. It's always great to have a password that's too complicated to remember. Oh, and I need to confirm it on my phone. I'm not sure why it's registering my device again, because it's not the first time I've been using this one. That's annoying. Even that's not working. Accept everything. .NET 9. Preview 1. Come on, guys. Download.net here. Let's check if we already have it. .net list SDKs. We only have version 6, 800 and 8300 preview. Well, we're going to spend today on installing things, I think. Installers, Windows, x64. Tell us about yourself. No, not today. Let's say Google me. .NET Preview 3. Tomorrow in the Netherlands it's like Ascension Day. That's a national holiday in the Netherlands. I'm following the US holidays these days with my new job. So I'll be working tomorrow, preparing the stream for Friday. Hope you'll all be there on Friday as well. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, or hit the bell or whatnot. To get notified that stream is live again. Installation was successful, close. So let's go in here again, exit. And go to command window again. Data repos 2024-0508. My Aspire. Let's list .NET again. .NET list SDKs. Yeah, we now have version 9 here. Oh, there's a whole lot of runtimes. 6, 27, 29. I should clean this up a little bit. Let's make a note of that as well. Come on. Clean up .NET on 19. That's a preview. Preview VM. Let's see if the studio is already. And why is it not doing that? Let's try signing out in with a different account. That has no password. If you're quick, you can catch me on number 14 here. Too late. Darn it. Let's try once more. Secret time. And another code to and another code. Okay, back to the code window and wait for this again. .NET new. We have Blazor. Is that all? .NET new list. Yeah, that's much more. We have an Aspire in here. We don't. Aspire setup and tooling. Install .NET Aspire. Work with .NET Aspire, you need the following installed locally: .NET 8, and that's what we checked already. .NET workload list. .NET workload list. Nothing. If you have an earlier version of 2022 preview, you can either upgrade something blah blah blah, or we can do to ensure you have the latest version of .NET Aspire workload, run the .NET workload update .NET workload update. What is feature band? .NET to install .NET Aspire workload from .NET CLI. .NET workload install Aspire. There we go. have a Visual Studio already? Oh, come on, guys. How often are you going to do this? What? Let's continue with this. .NET workload list. .NET workload list. There we are. Container runtime. .NET Aspire apps are designed to run in containers. You can use either Docker Desktop or Podman as your container runtime. Docker Desktop is the most common container runtime. Podman is an open source daemonless alternative to Docker that can build or run open container initiative containers. If your host environment has both Docker and Podman installed, .NET Aspire defaults to Docker. You can instruct .NET Aspire to use Podman instead, setting .NET Aspire container runtime. I have neither of those. .NET 9 SDK causes issues with .NET Aspire workload ability to display templates and create project from templates. If you're using .NET 9, know that your ability to create new Aspire apps is currently limited. Interesting. More information, see .NET Aspire Preview 3 cannot create app when .NET is installed. Nice. This is using the templates. Ready? Already? What? Come on, guys. It's not going to happen today, I think. Let's try that. It's not going to happen. I think the preview is a little bit off today. Maybe we do need to upgrade then. Try once more. Let's reinstall it first and see if it's... Come on, even that's not working. Yes, I want to exit. Install. The joy of a preview. quickly start up Studio on my host machine. See what accounts I'm using there. That's preview as well, by the way. Let's put that some more in the center of the screen there. Feels like Monday today and nothing is working. Even my Studio on my host machine is not starting. Maybe something on my screen there. No, nothing on my screen there either. Twenty 0508. 99% cleaning up. Guess what? Wants to reboot? Oh my god. Great. Let's do that because it wasn't working anyway. Let's move this first in here. Let's kick in the restart for the VM. This will be a great recording for later viewing. Nothing but secret screens. Even on my host machine, this is still waiting there. Oh, something's happening. But what? Did it just stop? Let's go to the secrets again. See if it's booted already. It's just like the internet's down, but that's impossible because I'm also streaming. Everything is super slow today. Is it Patch Tuesday today? Oh, now Fish Studio starts on the other screen. Let's have a look at this. Open my website. Let's have a look at that quickly. And there's an update available. I know. that's not what I want. I see you still looking at the secret screen. That's because even my Azure login is super slow today. Come on, refresh the page. Not much going on my screen here, but that's a bummer. Quickly go into my accounts. Come on. Today, maybe. Should be able to log in with my Hotmail account. So let's try that again. Oh, darn it. Connect. Select. Download RDP. Keep. Open file. That's now my other screen. So let's go back in the code window here. Connect. Logging in. Oh, that's the wrong window. Wrong monitor, I should say. I don't know why there's a donkey there, because it's donkey day. Nothing is working today. Let's go. Get your files from anywhere, as if my OneDrive's not set up yet. Looks like it's a complete new machine. What? Password change on my... Is it forcing a password change on my LiveCoder account? Oh, I'll try again. The joy of previewing. Come on. Oh, you can skip it for now. Let's skip it for now. C#. Personalize. I guess they changed some things on the new preview. Open recent. Let's skip for now and then it gets you into this. Lies a 30-day. Your trial has expired. I don't have passwords anymore. Yeah, something, nothing, yes. Let's give you all my information here. Close. With that, if you want to send me a nice email, you now can do that apparently. Let's close this again and let's go into the command window on the repo. Data repos. CD 2024-05-08. No, that's not right. 08. CD my aspire. My app.sln. The question is, does this machine also need to configure Office again? Because it looks like complete machine was renewed. Okay, that sounds good. That's less nice. Unlicensed product. Why? Switch account, add an account. I think this one. Why is it not pasting that? Is it doing nothing at all? Unable to type. This is my demo account. Live coding, that's good. Let's make sure that fits in your screen. Same thing with for studio. Not sure why this machine is completely fresh by now. Doesn't even open a workbook or something. Try that again. It's one of these days, apparently. We have add-ins. Not yet. We should get one if we use this one. Let's go to GitHub again. This is also kind of annoying that you get the starter page from MSDN. My stars. So it sets up app host as the starter file. So let's run F5 here. Let's see what's happening. Build starting. While we are waiting, that's a good time to subscribe. SSL certificate. Yes, let's do that. Yes, install that. Something's running here. Fail. What? It's trying to kick in the FXL thing, apparently. What are all these things? Let's kill that. Let's see if it's building. It is building. So what if we just pages error this is the client application. So let's see if what happens if we only start the don't want to do that. Set a starter project. So run the web. Oh, that also doesn't have a certificate yet for some reason. It's not secure. Why is it not secure? The certificate's invalid. I just want to proceed because apparently it doesn't have a certificate. Let's try this once more. Certificate is not accepting. My add-in project. Should also kick in the API, I guess. Build 5. View output window. Looks like it's not working anymore. It's a mess. Today, let's try something completely different here. Preview admin. So let's close all of this. Let's see if we just can create a new WebAssembly application. A little bit in the center because my regions are not working. Create a new project. Aspire starter applications. Blazor. WebAssembly standalone. Let's try that first. Next. Make that see data. Repos 2024-0508. Blazor app wasm -1. In case we need to make more. We do have a version 9 available. And list in .NET Aspire orchestration. That's interesting, it's already in there as well. Let's try first without. To make sure that it's actually working. We do have a standalone web assembly now with the default pages counter, home and weather 5. Something's happening. Sync your profile. Yeah, come on. That's working. Let's see, click counter, weather app. Okay, let's try starting that again, see if it's kicking in the website as well. Now it's loading. Vira Tamizarazan, welcome to the stream. It's a mess today. Because we're trying to set up things with Aspire and .NET 9. But it's not really working. Let's do the same here with a new project. That was the WebAssembly that was working, finally. That took us like 45 minutes, I think, to almost an hour to get that fixed. Let's try again with a new project. Blazor, WebAssembly. Standalone app, next. See data, even my data repos folder is not remembered. 2024-05-08, that's for today. Blazor. Wasm -2. Next. Now let's do enlist in .NET Aspire, see that's doing something. Now we do get an app host. I think that's the one for Aspire. If I open this, it's setting the app host to version 9 preview. Let's make that a little bit bigger. And version .NET 9. Let's try running this. See what it's doing. Oh, it's not private, no. Certificate is not working. But you could override that, but apparently not. It was just not to enter personal information, but it's not even starting. Even if we set it to allow insecure, it's not working. Looks like it's not working with the current certificate in the application. What if we just run this one, startup? F5. Doing the same things, not running it on first time. F5. Now it's loading. So it looks like it's definitely something with Spire is not working here. .NET 9. Let's go into installer. Then we need to select modify. Select ASP.NET Web Development. I think that's also automatically enabled already. On the installation details, select .NET Aspire SDK preview. That's on Python. .NET multi-platform. I want to add it later on. Same as the Office things. What does it say? Installation details pane. Select .NET Aspire. Where is that? Visual components. Extensions. It's not in here. There's Aspire. It's already selected. Yeah, it's already selected. See if there's something happening if we do this. It should change nothing. Ruko 404. Just joined while attending a meeting. Please note my project works only with .NET 8 preview version. .NET 9 is not supported by Aspire. Yeah, I noticed. And I got version 9 installed. But even though you defined .NET 8, I think, in your project, let's wait for this. I'm not sure why it's doing something because I changed nothing. Version 9 is not supported by Aspire. Well, there was it was notified that there was something with .NET 9. .NET 9 Aspire. The templates were not working. It's asking Bing. I don't think the information is up to date for Bing. Because if you do like so, copy. I think the problem is that something with certificate as well. CD Aspire sample. Aspire sample solution. I'm not sure why it's having a blocked certificate on there. Loaded and ready to use. Rebuild solution, because it is building, I think. Ruko 404. 404 not found. Solution contain packages with vulnerabilities. Manage NuGet packages. NuGet packages. Why does it come with NuGet packages? Come on. I clicked it, but nothing's happening. Because it's still building, I think. telemetry has a vulnerability. Okay. All the open telemetry things there. Has a moderate severity vulnerability. That should be okay. Maybe you should switch this one to 8. It's not even available. Different one. Oh, there you are. Let's first try running this, see if it's doing something. Because I have 8 minutes left here on the stream. More or less. Yeah, that's not working. Let's see what's happening if we move this one to 8. Can we save this? Oh, okay. Now the question is, should we also do that? Latest table 8.4. .NET 9 SDK causes issues with the .NET Aspire workload's ability to display templates, and yes, that's what I read somewhere. Create project from the templates. If you're using .NET 8, know that your ability to create new Aspire things are limited. For more information, see Aspire something blah blah blah. Yeah, that was indeed the one that I also found before the stream going live. This one. Wait over this big box here. We were just reading that like an hour ago, and that's but I didn't expect nothing to work at all. So this is 8, that's 8, and everything is also something like 8. Let's have a quick run and see if it's doing something. It's still preview, so setup and tooling lacks some. Well, that's an understatement. You have to get it fixed before build. Oh, so no, that's not working. Great. So are you able to install it separately? Available. That's not a preview version. Roll back to previous version. Okay, well, that was a nice try for today, at least. That did not work. Were able to create a WebAssembly application, but nothing with the Aspire things. That's a bummer. So I need to either go back to a previous version. Yeah, I think that's the only option, and try again on Friday. So the takeaway from this for the stream today is that you have to be really careful with your preview installs. And I was kind of expecting .NET 8 to be a bit more mature, to at least not show that many issues, or even be able to install anything. It's holding a message from you back due to race, ethnicity, or religion. It says please use version 8 preview of the Aspire NuGet package. Let's see, like, I can allow this. It's showing? Yeah. So what's racist about this? Please use version 8 preview of the Aspire NuGet package. I don't see what's offensive on that. Strange. Okay, well, that was a good experience from .NET 8 and back to .NET 8, now .NET 9 I should say, but good experience for .NET 9 and not at all, so we have to revert back to .NET 8 for Friday. So I have some things to do there tomorrow to get the environment up and running to the preview version of 8 again. Thanks for watching, and I don't think it's relevant to watch the recording of this video, but please make sure you subscribe and hit follow and whatnot. Hit the bell to get notified for Friday stream, and hopefully that will be a better experience than the one for today. So thanks everyone for watching, and see you next Friday. Bye bye.